of them again have 50 of them, 50 marks, each with the 5 points marks, and then you know how to take out the aggregate. If somebody's got 35, then 35 divided by 10, all those indicators have to be filled in. Apart from that, you have to take the extracurricular activities. It is your health and hygiene. That's out of that. Of the sports, one particular sports you have to take, and maybe NCC, scouting, swimming. For us, it's going to be swimming, which is compulsory, and it is one of the sports that the child has to select. Till class 5, we are giving exposure to all sports. 5 onwards, then the timetable you will find that we have given 2 sports periods. One sports period when we are saying it's a PE period, where the child will play whatever they want to. Another has been given a sports period, which is a special games that they of their choice. So nobody can complain that I am not being able to play this game, I am not playing this game. In one period in a week, they are playing all games, and in the second period, they are playing the game of their choice. Apart from that, twice they are doing swimming, right? One block period is for the swimming. When the P6 onwards, girls and boys go for a separate swimming. When girls go for a swimming, boys are on the ground. When the boys are going for swimming, girls on the ground. So that extra sports period also they are getting as a block period.
So
right?
We do club activity that
one club activity has been given. They have to take one club.
Ma'am, we can take up gardening, I think.
For gardening, no, for club activity.
No, when the children are, when the boys are not doing swimming.
Please tell them no. We cannot, because GD Goenka's USP is sports. So we want to give them as much of sports as possible. Please understand, and boys really want to play, girls want to play, and we have wonderful sports. That's why we have so many coaches here. So let's encourage our sporting activity, which is must. Okay, and as far as gardening, we have given clubs. We have given 5 clubs as far as I remember. Eco Club? 6 clubs. Can we repeat the clubs, please?
We have the literary club, the Eco Club, the photography club, the dramatics, heritage, and instrumental music.
So out of this, the children have to choose one club. They can change their club every year. But it is, they can change
in between.
Not in between. Not in between. They can change it next year.
Yes.
Okay, now we will also tell them that before choosing that club, there will be an aptitude test. You just can't become part of any club wherever your friends are going. So we will design club wise. We have already, Ritu, we have designed the head of the clubs also. Can we just name them, please? Mr. Mayor, Ritu, can we just say the clubs? By the time she's bringing it.
Ma'am, from 3 to 5 we are having a different.
No, 3 to 5 is, this is 6 to 9. 3 to 5, the clubs that have been given are
Literary, maths and science, eco club, dance club, instrumental music, and heritage.
Is that clear?
We don't have the photography club there. We don't have the photography club.
So obviously we cannot do photography till 5. Photography is only for the seniors. Apart, so there is a club. There is one house period that has been given. One club period has been given. 2 sports period. One I'm telling you the compulsory sport. One is the PE period. Swimming has been given. Oblique sports. When the swimming session gets over, these are converted into your creative writing English periods. And they are converted into Mind Spark periods, maths. So after the summer holidays, the swimming periods will be getting converted into Mind Spark with the logical thinkings and your reasoning thinking goes on, and it converts into an English period, so there is no confusion into those periods. Please understand, there is no A, B, C, D happening. According to the GD Goenka pattern, and this is there is certain activities. There is a music that is compulsory. Every child will have a music period. There is a dance that is happening. They are all doing dance. They are all doing music. We have given them one period. One period of library has been given to them. There is a compulsory library period. So these are a compulsory activity they are doing. Music, dance, sports are a compulsory activity. Apart from that, what you call Group A and Group B. Group A basically consisted of, which is an optional, sports, and Group B was your clubs. So we have, in sports we have given the choice, you have to pick up one sports of your choice, and the clubs, the 5 clubs, and you pick up one. Is that clear? So no A, B, C, D. There is no story onto it. Swimming periods for the seniors are all last 2 periods, so that they can get themselves wet, open hairs and go home. I do not want a fashion period out here.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it becomes so messy in the morning if you give them a swimming period. The whole
day they keep on combing their hair.
they'll keep their hair, putting perfumes, etc., etc. We do not want. Please swim, get up in the bus, go home. Okay, so all the swimming periods are in the last 2 periods. Till 5, it's across. Because till 5, there is no boys and girls separation is not there for swimming. Is that clear? So everybody knows what's happening in school. Any questions till here? Anyone? Any questions? So back to CC. CC is a continuous, comprehensive evaluation process where we expect the child to be a holistic personality development to have to happen, and just not marks. So if you have studied a lesson on Neem Ka Peड़ or whatever Hindi, you know what is to be done. If you have studied something on Shivaji, it's not only mugging Shivaji, you know what kind of a man Shivaji was, and whether you have learned something from that is through your role plays when you imbibe those personality traits of that particular person. Now you tell me, and what we say, apart from that you've seen the values, attitudes, life skills, everything is taken into account. So 14 years after when they leave the school, 15 years after that they leave the school, they are people who can face the world, face the challenges with a lot of personality and just not a scorecard. And who else can better evaluate? The teachers who have been teaching the child for 14 years will be able to better assess, or somebody sitting in some remote corner of Bihar will be judging your child. In an external examination of 3 years, the child may get 95% and you will say, ये तो बड़ा बदतमीज लड़का था, ये स्कूल का टॉपर कैसे बन गया? You know, and then even if he becomes a school topper, you remember that a number of times he didn't even bother to wish you a good morning down his lane. He didn't even remember how bad he was. He has been, and then he gets it. So who is better able to assess, you or that someone outside? So the report that gets. So how many of you want to have the boards now? I mean, as far as the competition is concerned, please understand, higher education is equally changing. We are thinking of class 12 also coming into CCE pattern, and there would be no single test. There will be a common entrance test happening for all. One common entrance examination happening. Either you qualify or you don't qualify for it. And if you are regular in school, you are paying attention, I do not think why you should not be able to qualify. Half of them who go to FITZY, quota, they may get into the examination, but they do not sustain it for a long time. There are a lot of failures. That's why IIT is full of suicides that they happen, because when they go to IIT, they have to also know how to play a rock band. The children who do well in IIT are actually the all-rounders, and those who just go and mug up there, they have a cultural shock. They'll end up into a problem because the child out there, topper, would also play a guitar very well, would also sing, would also move around, would be giving presentation skill, because ultimately when you're looking for a job, you have to give a presentation out there. Your marketing skill, if you go for an MBA, they will say pick up the pen and start marketing yourself. How do you market it? Then your theories of marketing will not be counted. Now the school has not taught that. And personality can only be taught in school education. In college, nobody gives any time for anyone. So, all the mothers, boards or no boards. It is, believe me, but everything depends upon the teachers, it depends upon school, and how you decide. If you do it sincerely, then it can be a very, very positive way of doing it, and we will ensure that it happens in a positive way. Otherwise, you know what the other end is. So it's an open-ended answer as a question. So I hope it's clear. Anybody has any question, can you please tell me? As a Darwin's theory, survival of the fittest. So, anyone have any questions?
Ma'am, like for life skills and behavior, the way like we have workshops with the teachers and all, can we
have it with our children.
Yeah, you should.
I mean,
You should. That's what I said. There's no point in going saying your behavior is bad.
Yeah.
You've never told them what is an appropriate behavior
We
is.
should get them acquainted to what we are going to judge them upon.
Absolutely.
I think by the end of the year or before
No,
the
with
year,
for the CC
sessions
pattern, we will have a CC with students. We will have a CC with parents. Please remember, there's no point in you and me and students talking. The parents do not know. So that's why we have a lot of parents workshop, but students workshop also have to happen. Once we will be taking, but in your value in that CT period that has been given to you every day, you must talk about these with the students, how they're supposed to behave. Is that clear? Any questions till now? And consequently, I think Ritu is going to, once the session is about to start, right now I do not want to flood you with all this because your question papers have to come and your examination. So when you are finished with the other part of the final examination, then we will circulate the sheets. We will have a little meeting and we will do it ourselves. Is that clear? Okay. So thank you. Any questions, please? Anjana?
Ma'am, we have to submit the syllabus to you before 25th. It has to be typed and submitted to you.
Obviously.
But we are not having book cost till now.
you send the
The stationery items list